You don't have to take this. You can come with me.
Recognizing that education is the key to building communities, MeFN is a tool cultivating a financial literacy and diversity programming platform that will take advantage of a historical moment. A moment when America will be redefined by using the most powerful form of communication, television. Improving access for all is the solution. And hello everyone, I'm James Brown and welcome to MeFN, the Multi-Ethnic Financial Network. Before I started spending Sundays talking football, I headed sales teams at 2 Fortune 500 companies. The business world is something near and dear to my heart, and I'm proud to be a part of television that is going to make a difference. MeFN is a programming block that addresses the questions and needs of the growing Latino, African American, and Asian communities. We strongly believe the changing multi-ethnic landscape will play a major role in shaping priorities for corporate America in years to come. MeFN will be the conduit between our country's numerous multi-ethnic communities and the businesses that wish to reach them. This innovative venture will bring together financial literacy, minority procurement, and diversity initiatives in the areas it's needed most. The underserved, highly lucrative multi-ethnic markets. This demographic is the fastest growing in the United States, and there's no sign of things slowing down. These groups are practically voiceless on the all business, news, and financial channels. Created by and for a diverse group of people, MeFN will provide a unique blend of business, news, and financial programming. MeFN will focus on the very powerful multicultural audience. Now, our goal is to give our viewers the keys to financial success through informative programming. What sets MeFN apart is our team's commitment to educating the increasing number of Americans that lack basic money management skills, investment knowledge, while highlighting ethnic and gender diversity in television programming. We'll share success stories and, more importantly, the how-tos of visionaries, risk-takers, scholars, and entrepreneurs, from celebrities to moguls to everyday people who had a dream and went after it. This is Deb Shaw. From tough inner-city beginnings to building a multi-million-dollar enterprise, she is a Latina power broker and a much-in-demand corporate advisor on mining the diversity opportunity.
Hi, I'm Deb Shaw. In many ways, the mission of MeFN mirrors the emerging mission of corporate America. I'm one of the changing faces of today's business world. In fact, Hispanic women are the fastest-growing entrepreneurial group in America. I understand the power of television to impact change. MeFN is fueled by a passion for change. The public's perception of products and services is greatly driven by TV's ability to deliver information using sight, sound, emotion, and color. MeFN addresses the current lack of diversity in programming, which creates barriers to learning, the development of trust, and potential customer confidence within various ethnic groups. The belief that knowledge is power will be reinforced on a regular basis. Here at MeFN, we'll share our passion, our knowledge, and our insights, proven, use-now tools for achieving financial success. Our viewers will come to us because MeFN understands their life experience, understands who they are, and provides a culturally relevant one-stop shop to bring their dreams to life.
MeFN will empower viewers to attain financial independence. It's for the single mom looking to save for her child's education. It's for the couple planning for their retirement while trying to pay the rent. It's for the laid-off worker looking not for a new job, but for a new career.
MeFN will make its mark by being the first owned and operated multi-ethnic television business network, showcasing the talent and wisdom in our communities and the friends and corporate initiatives that helped us get there.
MeFN will introduce viewers to those in the know. We have access to the people who have been there, done that. Financial services professionals, industry experts, successful entrepreneurs, CEOs, the country's top educators.
MeFN answers the financial intelligence needs of multi-ethnic viewers looking to achieve or grow their version of the American dream. No money matter is too big or too small. From taking the fear out of banking for the estimated 12 million Americans who don't have bank accounts, to investing in the stock market, to saving for retirement. No matter what the viewer's level of financial know-how, MeFN will speak in dollars and cents that everyone can understand.
The novice will learn the basics. The experienced will learn something new. It's all about building wealth. Here's a sample of our powerful programming. Transitions for Me will show how people get from one point in their life to the next. We'll feature athletes, entertainers, retirees wanting to start new careers.
The Ethnic Entrepreneur will show viewers how to turn their dream of starting and growing a business into a reality.
Educating Me covers basic to advanced investing topics, and Leverage will feature dynamic business leaders from various industries representing diverse ethnic backgrounds, putting a new face on the power players and deal makers in corporate America.
This is quality reality television. Real issues with real solutions for real people.
MultiEthnic has syndicated its first shows for broadcast television. MultiEthnic is cleared in 70% of the country. 26 original programs and an additional 26 programs, which will be repeats or re-edits. It will air over 52 weeks, making it a winning proposition for advertisers and investors.
MultiEthnic will be produced at Reuters, which is one of our strategic partners for content, talent, and facility usage throughout the world. We're in a unique position to bring well-respected organizations to the table by combining their efforts through one channel.
It's time to highlight the extraordinary power found within our multi-ethnic society.
It's time to embrace our cultural differences and be empowered by our common goals.
As Victor Hugo once said, there is nothing more powerful than an idea whose time has come. It's time for MultiEthnic.